Hey guys, this is Brandon at the Edge Pro, and today's video is one that I wish I didn't have to say anything about and didn't have to bring to you, but we're going to talk about packaging our tools safely in shipping to when you send them off to get sharpened or repaired. We've been getting a kind of an influx of tools lately that have been broken when they come to us. Not broken like a clipper, like it was broken, so it was sent to us to fix, but stuff that wasn't broken, like blades having chipped teeth on them or something like that. They didn't have it when they left, and they came to us and it was broken. That's not a phone call we like to make, but it's part of the job and it happens from time to time. So what we want to do is talk about ways that we can package this to keep our tools safe in shipping. Some of these do come down to our shipping provider's fault, but there are ways that we can package this stuff to help prevent that. So the first thing that we like to recommend is take any blades that are on your clipper, just go ahead and take them off. That way we can package this blade safely to where it's not going to lose any teeth in the shipment here. Here at the Edge Pro, we sell blade boxes here. They have 14 slots, but we can also, some of the smaller blades can double up in here. And these boxes work really well for shipping your blades off to get sharpened. And a lot of times if you do ship a decent quantity of them off to us for sharpening, we're going to end up going ahead and sending them back in a box like this. But there are a couple things with a box like this that we do need to talk about. Once you have all your blades in here, we want to be careful, especially these ones that are two blades in one slot, just to be careful that they're not moving around and banging around, because we can end up breaking teeth off of those blades. And so what we like to do is we'll take some kind of a foam or a styrofoam or something, and we're just going to tuck it on in here into this box. And then once that's in there, we can put the lid over it like that. And this is going to keep our blades safe, but it would only stay safe if it's sitting like this. As soon as it were to flip upside down or something along those lines, this lid can start to come up and it comes loose, and then the blades start coming out of those slots, and we have issues with that. And so what that'll look like is the shipping people didn't hold the box straight up, and then which is oftentimes going to happen, and then what'll happen is the blades will start bouncing around in there and breaking teeth. And unfortunately, that's not going to be something that a claim is going to cover. So taping this box shut is a really good thing that will help prevent that. Another thing, even quicker and easier than tape, we just like to put a quick rubber band over that. Now, that lid can't come off. Those blades are safe, and with that foam piece that's in there, that's going to keep them from clanging up against each other. If you just have a couple blades, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and use whatever you have at home, styrofoam, paper towels, anything like that, and you can just put them in some kind of a wrapping like this and put them all together, and then wrap them up so that they're not bouncing all around in the box when they're shipped to where they need to be. And then the last thing that we have here is also scissors. If you're shipping your scissors, a good way to start with your scissors is to just have a rubber band around them that's going to keep them from opening up. If they open up in shipping, that can lead to a lot worse damage to the blades, which leads to a shorter life of these shears. And so we can put a rubber band around it or around the blade or somewhere to keep them from opening in shipping. Something else you could do is if you have some kind of a scissor holder, scissor case, like a bedazzled one like this is a really good one to use, and you can put it in there. Not going to have any damage on that scissor when it gets to where it needs to go. And then you get to have glitter on your hands too, which is awesome. And then or if you don't have an awesome holder like that, you can just use some more styrofoam again, or a paper towel. That's going to keep that black finish safe as well. Nothing's going to scratch on its shipping. So those are just some tips that we see of people who are shipping product, and some that we see that's broken, that's missing some of these items, and some that just some of our ideas that may help keep your products safe as it's getting shipped off to get repaired. Thanks for listening. If you find this helpful, definitely hit the thumbs up button and let us know what kind of tips and tricks you guys have to keep your tools safe in shipping. Thank you.